What's the meaning of astonishment? Astonishment. Astonishment.
Astonishment. Astonishment. Astonishment is a feeling of extreme surprise and wonder. It is a state of being completely taken aback by something unexpected or remarkable. Astonishment can be caused by a variety of things, such as an unexpected event, a remarkable achievement, or a sudden change. When we experience astonishment, we may feel a rush of emotions, such as excitement, disbelief, or awe. It is a powerful emotion that can leave a lasting impression on us, and it often leads us to reflect on what we have witnessed.